It's been a great day at the fair, full of games and rides, but when it's time to go, we know your first priority is finding your car quickly and making it home. On those rare occasions when you forget exactly where you parked your car, Hyundai BlueLink is here to help. Using the Find My Car feature of the BlueLink mobile app, you can shave precious time off the parking lot scavenger hunt. Select Map from the home screen, click on the Car Finder icon, enter your PIN, and your vehicle location appears on screen. Once you are close to your car, select the Horn and Lights feature to easily spot it in a crowded parking lot. Now, if only BlueLink could help you figure out what to do with that 3-foot-tall stuffed giraffe. Enhanced safety, security, reliability, and enjoyment made possible with the power of Hyundai BlueLink. BlueLink. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.